Hi everyone, welcome to Provisual Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily set up and showcase your design using Provisual and 3D models. Let's navigate to the 3D Models section and select an object for our tutorial. The library contains a great variety of high-quality 3D models, and it is updated weekly. In this tutorial, we will learn how to customize a 3D model of a cosmetic tube. Let's select a 3D model from the vast Provisual library. Here we go. This is what the default model looks like. Let's turn off the drop shadow for more accuracy to be able to fine-tune our 3D model. Let's begin. First, let's change the base material of the tube. Next, changing the color of the material. You can either select or customize the color using the color palette, or enter the color code manually, like this. Next, let's customize the material that we applied to the tube. Up next is the cap element. Let's change the color of the material here, and then tweak the material a bit. We have set up all the materials on our Cosmetic Tube 3D model. Now, let's go to the environment settings and change the HDRI map. This HDRI map just what we need. It's called Studio Vertical. We're done here, so let's adjust the lighting on our object. To do that, we go to the spotlight settings and update them. We'll set the lighting horizontally and vertically to highlight the curves of our cosmetic tube. Looks great. All we have to do now is to add the design. To add the design, click on the Add Design button on the Design Layers panel. You can also download a UV map and create your design in another editor. I've already prepared some images for our cosmetic tube. Let's add the first design element. In the opened window, we see the editor where we can move and modify our design. See how in this left window, the position of our design on the 3D model is always displayed in real time. You can change the opacity to see the edges of the UV map better and place your design more accurately. Great. Saving the design. Let's add another design element. Again, clicking on the Add Design button on the Design Layers panel. Good, saving our design. Let's make our design stand out. Select the design layer to activate it. We will tweak the material over here, and then we will add some volume to it as well. Now we select another design layer to change the material of the text. Then we'll change the material settings to make the design look more realistic overall. Now let's add some dimension to our design using bevel. Just wow! Now placing the background behind our 3D model. Let's see what types of pre-made backgrounds we have available. We can choose a solid fill as the background, or we can go for a gradient fill. Here we can select the desired colors and also set the direction of the fill, linear or radial. You can also pick one of the pre-designed backgrounds that we've prepared for you. Or add your own image. Let's add one. Excellent. You can turn on moving lights to see how the light enhances the shape and texture of the 3D model. You can also rotate the 3D model to see how the design looks in motion. Saving the project. After you've completed your design, you can share it with everyone by clicking the Share button. You'll get a shareable link to open the interactive viewer with your 3D model. Share it with colleagues, friends, or clients. And that's the end of our tutorial on creating cosmetic tube design. We hope this has been helpful for you. See you in the upcoming tutorials.